Hello.
Hey. Us again.
We look very different. Your hair is a lot blonder. Mine's shorter.
I'm getting it done next week to go blonder. It's not blonde enough.
Do you not think you're blonde enough?
No. If I don't look like fucking modern day urinary Targaryen, I don't want it. It's the Maisie Donna of it all. Like, I just simply need... I saw that trade.
Dead?
No.
Well, she does die, doesn't she?
Alright! We didn't need it. We're 28 seconds in and you're already throwing personal blows. My close personal friend Maisie Donna.
Not like I killed her.
No, that's true. It's fucking presidents now. Fuck you, Coriolanus. Not the Descendants soundtrack. This is just my light songs on shuffle.
Come on.
You're telling me you don't fuck heavily with Descendants?
I've never seen it.
Oh my god, we should watch it.
But I know there's quite a few.
Well, I've only watched the first two, but they're so good. The music's so good. Christian the party gets their last imitation. I've got a spiritual personal connection to Maleficent because I played her twice.
Played her?
Yeah. In a very uncopyrighted version of it on stage.
Was she told to sing like this?
No, that's just...
That's not how she sings.
Yeah.
She's a pop star.
I've two for you. There was a performance of this on, I think, Dancing with the Stars, when they were doing it for, like, you know, advertising it when it first came out.
Yeah.
And the choreography was so fucking good. Like, I was 20? 19, 20? Because I first watched this when I was in America, and I was like, I could do that. I want to learn that choreography. It was so good. Hear her voice in my head. Evil is the only real way to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. Let's go. We got all the ways to be. I love being a mature adult.
Yeah, aren't you basically 30 now?
92!
Yeah, this year you turned 30, don't you?
No, I turned 28. I am still beautiful, youthful, and full of vibrance.
I didn't say you were ugly. I said you
I
were
mean, no
old.
one could say that, but look at me. This fringe is burning my fucking wig out. I can't wait to get it cut. I was dabbling with going for the full fringe because that's what Maisley's. I know, but listen. It's McKenna Grace's fault. That's what Maisley's got in the film. But I was like, do you know what? Maybe we don't need to do everything that we see our favourite characters do. But the temptation, the voices.
I mean, I say that. I agree with that. I am from the waist up looking like Claudia Winkleman from Traitors. Because I was an
No, you stand on Claudia Winkleman the way I stand Maisie Donna.
No, mate. Her wardrobe on the Traitors.
The cloak?
No, not the cloak.
Oh, I was going to say, I've got that.
No, the wardrobe. She was, especially this season. It was so good. That I was literally like, I need a green checkered coat.
Of course you did.
And I...
Because the last thing you need is more coats. Specifically that kind of coat.
I know, I think I have this particular coat in
like
about
5 different colours.
More than that.
Yeah.
I've got a black one, a checkered grey one,
a normal grey one,
a normal grey one, this one, another green one.
You've got a maroon one as well.
I've got a maroon one. Got an orange one, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, I've got at least 7. Just suits me.
It does actually.
It's also very versatile. You can wear it with anything.
Yeah. Dress it up, dress it down. I was listening to this last night through my headphones while I was hoovering the stage, and I was just like, this is what I was born for. It's me and Henry Hoover against the world.
We can do it. All the demons.
The demons is the fucking copious amount of confetti that Johnny fucking throws everywhere.
Exposure, let me out.
Let me out!
This is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like.
It gives me fucking chills when the chorus, like the choir bit comes in, like.
Oh yeah.
Like.
This is what it sounds like.
She makes me want to put my head through a wall, like in a positive way.
This is what it sounds like.
Why's your speaker like?
What? Why do we kill a million pieces and we can't
Not us dying to K-pop demon hunters.
all the beauty in the broken glass. Another part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. Without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. Cause after all this time, my voices sing the line. When darkness meets the light. This is what it sounds like.
Nah, these roadworks are taking the
I was
piss.
gonna say, what is with all the roadworks?
They just decided to rip the entirety of the fucking East Lancs up.
My brake pads are on the last legs anyway. Let's not add more fucking
I
braking.
mean, let's not die.
I'm gonna try.
Good.
Not
Meet
reached
McKenna
that
Grace
point.
in me.
Not reached that point. What?
Meet McKenna Grace in me. I'm meeting Matt Smith as well.
How many have you paid for now?
So I'm getting McKenna Grace photograph and autograph,
Yeah.
Karen Gillan photo op, Matt Smith photo op.
I was the queen that I meant to be. I've been 2 lives trying to keep both sides, but I couldn't. I still need to see if I can afford meeting Gillian Anderson, but I don't think I can.
I think you can.
Over 100 quid?
It's £99. If you corner it, that's just 30 quid 3 times. That's basically free.
I'm not hiding now. I'm shining like I wanna be. We dreaming hard, we go now. I believe. Oh God, we're going up. I'm really unwell again.
No, so am I. We need to do this when we're healthy. I'm just going the operatic route.
We're gonna be golden. Oh, I'm not hiding now. I'm shining.
I'm like the lower harmony.
God, I'm
like,
really not well.
I'm like Chloe in Pitch Perfect when she's got notes and she's like, oh. No more that we're born to be. Perfect.
No more hiding. Now we shining like I'm born to be. With we are hunters, voices stronger now that no believe we're going up. It's our moment. You know together we're glowing. We're gonna be golden. Oh, voices. It's Japanese, it's Korean. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm not hiding now. I'm shining like I'm born to be. Fuck me. Words are no fears, no lies. Who we're born to be. You know what's gonna be golden. That hurts.
That hurts.
I don't like it.
That's like even that hurts. Have you seen that fella who does the cover of James Blunt like one of them fucking tubes? It fucking kills me. He does covers like one of them. You know what I used to say was French, where it was like, do you not know the tubes where you turn
Yeah,
around?
yeah.
So he does covers of songs as one of them.
Oh.
It's fucking funny. I was walking around going,
You actually disrupted my yawn.
Go ahead, Ty.
Sorry.
Jesus.
You're welcome. You're on the phone your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. Walking the streets with you in your worn-out jeans. I can't help thinking this. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that can light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that? Right. She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers.
Have you ever heard the Terrell concept album? The Game of Thrones musical? I'm gonna cue a song.
Oh god.
It's so good. You don't know Hades Town too, yeah? So uncultured. Don't know the Lightning Thief musical, don't know Venice. Honestly,
Well, suddenly Seymour on. Oh, what's wrong with that one?
I have seen 2 versions of Little Shop of Horrors, and both times I was dating the guy who played Seymour. I have a niche.
Really? Can't you see that I'm the one who understands? You've been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me.
Jesus God.
There's one really stuck because I'm slouching. I can't get
Would
it.
you live on a diet of Diet Coke? Jesus!
No, it's still there. God damn it!
How many more babes have you got inside, Joe?
You don't remember con?
I do.
When I
do
think I
remember
burned
corn.
solidly for an hour. I just couldn't get the. No, do you know what it was? It's because every time I lay down, you can't burp when you're lying down. You just bring up acid.
It's because
So I had to keep sitting up. It was ridiculous.
It's because Novotel rationed the fucking pillows that they give you.
Yeah, I just wasn't in the best position. Do you know what I mean? It's just in there. It's not coming out. I mean, it is coming out. Just not all
It's
of it.
coming out, best believe.
Oh, I'm so sad that I'm not going to con. I actually made the effort. And then I remembered it was my grandma's. No, it's my.
Grandpa.
No, grandma's 90th, I think. Can't have it off because like 3 other people are having it off because they've got kids. So
I
it
think
must
you
be
should
half
kill
term.
them.
So that kind of, I was like, oh, okay. And I had to tell my mum. I had to be like, I'm really, really sorry. Do you remember me? Like, I've even paid for the Airbnb. And I was like, I can't go. I completely forgot. I didn't book it up.
Fucked it.
Like a two. Treated me kindly.
It's alright. I, for some reason, thought your birthday was on the 30th instead of the 13th.
My birthday's not on the 13th either. My birthday's on the 14th. Ah, you don't know what my birthday is.
I've been very confused
That's
about
so
your
rude.
birthday.
I know what yours is.
Well, I even went back and checked when we had in the how about. So I was like, oh, okay, that must be where I've got confused with it. Apparently not. 14th. Look here. I don't do dates, okay? I don't do numbers. For fuck's sake. And I was like, oh, okay, well, it's fine because Scar's birthday's on the 30th. And then you were like, no, it's these dates. And I was like, fuck, that's smack bang in the middle of the week where we were planning the holiday. And I was like, it was destiny. We wasn't meant to book this because I don't know when Scar's birthday is, apparently.
Again.
But hey,
Fuck you.
it's all worked out.
How do you not know when my birthday is?
I barely know. Do you know how I used to remember my own birthday? I had a friend called Veda May in school, and I was like, Veda May. And that was how I remembered my own birthday as a child.
My parents' wedding anniversary is the day after your birthday. They got married on Star Wars Day. Not because it was Star Wars Day, it was purely coincidental. Alice's birthday is on the 1st. In the space of 4 days, I've got 3 dates to remember. 2nd of May means jack shit to me.
That's your rest day.
That's my rest day. 1, 3 and 4. Woo! So busy. Right, we're going to have to start this again so I can actually sing it. You can talk through during the mail bit, which is the first bit.
Okay.
I'll let you know. I'll go like, right, it's my time now.
Silence.
Silence in the courtyard.
In the courtyard?
Silence in the courtyard, silence in the street. The biggest loser in England is just about to speak.
The fuck's that from?
You're the biggest loser in England.
Saying I'm fat. I have lost 2 stone.
I noticed as soon as you started walking towards the car, I was like, hello!
So you think I'm...
I didn't want to say it because I know some people don't like people
No, I
commenting on
don't.
their
Tell
weight.
me I'm thin.
Okay. Some people don't like people commenting on their weight, so I try and respect that.
Just don't comment on it if it goes up. If it goes down, that's all well and good. That is fine.
You've lost weight, I've put on weight.
The Lord giveth and the Lord
Apparently
taketh.
you're taking my weight. No, I'm taking yours. Yeah, I'll have it. Give it in.
Take it. I've suffered enough.
No, I already knew I was putting on weight. I was like, oh, these jeans are getting a bit tight.
My jeans don't fucking fit. I put them on.
Yeah, but they're too big, so shut up.
No, genuinely, I put them on for work last night.
Yeah.
And I was walking around work and I was like, why did these feel? They were bunching like over.
Treated me kindly, Daddy left early, Mama was poor. She ran and I follow him blindly. Never me. He took up his fingers, and me, I stay sure.
What the fuck?
Suddenly see more. He's standing beside me. He don't give me orders. He don't condescend. Suddenly see more. His stand to provide me sweet understanding. See my friend.
Last till forever. Tell me the bad time, clean washed away.
Please understand that it's still strange and frightening. For losers like I've been, it's so hard to say. Suddenly see more. He purified me. Suddenly see more. Show me I can learn how to be more.
I tell that was vocal strain or growl, but it worked.
That was a strain.
It worked. I love that.
Sweet. I know, yeah, it was just a growl. I was really into it. Sweet understanding, sweet understanding. Simos, your Okay, now you pick a song that you could sing.
Oh, I can't sing any of this shit. My voice is fucked.
Dearest, darlingest Mumsy and Popsicle.
Hi,
My
dear
dear
father. Which
Fuck.
one are you?
There's been some confusion overruling here at Shit.
I can't get that high now.
But of course I'll care for Tessa.
But of course I'll rise above it, for I know that's how you'd want me to respond. Yes. Unusually and exceedingly peculiar, not together quite impossible to describe.
Actually blonde. And doesn't know my birthday.
92!
You thought I was born on the 13th of April 1992.
Hadn't they not?
I felt this moment, I laid eyes on you. My pulse is rushing.
I feel like
My
you
head
need to
is
give
moving.
your character that birthday now. It's something. They're like, I'm on the brink.
Yeah, we're not well.
No. Don't fucking skip the Tyrell concept album.
Hey, that was Encanto.
Yeah, and it was cute, bitch.
I don't know that one.
spring, they say, bloom the fairest of all. But the maids that charm the king, they say, had best refuse his call. The maids that turn 16, they say, turn the head of the king. But the maids that go unseen, I say, have something else to say. Daughter, damsel, wife. In all 7 kingdoms, a woman learns. It goes, daughter, damsel, wife. And in all 7 kingdoms, a woman turns from a daughter to damsel to wife. And for a twist of the knife, she could get stuck with the life of a lady in waiting, waiting to live. A lady in waiting, a lady debating whether womanhood has more to give.
It's actually quite a good album.
Maiden, mother, crone.
There we go.
In the faith of the 7, a woman prays to the maiden, mother,
Crow.
In the faith of the 7, a girl decays from a maiden to mother to crow. Destiny already known, she could be queen of the throne. Oh, a lady in waiting, waiting for more. A lady in waiting, a lady creating ways to get at least a foot in the door. Lady in waiting.
Oh, this is about Game of Thrones.
Yes. Are you taking the piss?
Well, I heard something about the 7, and I was like, oh, that's similar to Game of Thrones. I just heard March with
I
Tyrell.
literally said, have you heard the Tyrell concept album? The Game of Thrones musical?
Oh, I wasn't listening. Do ones we haven't done before.
You don't know any of the musicals I know, and I don't know any of the musicals you know.
I get down and I'm jumping.
I guess I have to be a lady.
Okay.
Surely you know that one.
Obviously.
I guess I have to be a lady. Do that one.
I have to be a lady, smiling and waving, constantly obeying. I guess I need a prince to come and save me, even if I don't need saving.
I don't know why she made her like
I
such a
guess I
broad
must sit
cockney.
on a throne I don't own, raising the babies he made all alone. I guess as a lady there's just some things I'll never know. But if I were a man, I'd go to Japan, maybe swim in the sand, and learn to speak French. I'd have the whole world in the palm of my hand. I finally do what I could, but I can't if I were a man.
Is she?
Eloise, I must tell you something.
She's from Mayfair.
To know if a
I
woman
don't
has
think
come to
Eloise
you
sounds
with
cockney in this bit.
Is it a lady or a maid?
Not in this bit, but when she's singing some of it.
I know, but that's because it's an American trying to do an English accent while
true.
singing.
She's not married.
I also hate the way she does this bit.
Yeah, yeah, he can fuck off.
You need to find out so it doesn't happen to us.
I guess I have to go to banquets. Banquets make me anxious, acting rather shameless. I guess I need a gown down past my ankles.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah, I hear it now.
Oh, I got nothing.
I have to sit still and look pretty. Dance till I fall like dizzy. Throw away the life that I made.
It was a Netflix
I finally do what I could, but I can't if I were a man.
Yeah, because you keep slipping into can't instead of can't.
Yeah.
Oh my god! What
Wow.
the fuck? Dickhead!
This is what you call a honeymoon.
Oh, I don't know this one.
I do.
Pacing around our separate rooms, running from our elaborate ruse. We do. Daphne, please forgive me your grace. Your grace. Can't even look me in the face, and now I must lie in the mess you made.
The mess we
It was
made.
your mistake. You kissed me and I was prepared to take my life. I stole your fate. I stole your fate. I stole your fate. No, I stole your fate. I don't understand. Now you're forced to love a man you hate.
funnily enough, the Riverdale
You know I have a
version
job,
of it is
right?
so good.
I have many jobs.
I also have many jobs.
And all you're doing is going, you need to listen to this, you need to listen to that, you need to listen to that. When the fuck have I got time to do any of this shit?
When you're driving around.
No. If I'm bored and I'm driving, I need something that I'm familiar with. McFly and Busted have been playing on my phone the last 2 weeks. Also, you know I'm a creature of habit. I don't like listening to new things. I only just recently listened to a McFly song I've never heard before, and I was like, okay, I can get on board with this now. It took me ages. Also, you know that I have that thing that people have that when you tell me to do something,
Yeah.
watch this show, listen to this song, read this
Okay,
book,
well,
I don't want to do it.
to combat the pathological demand avoidance, don't listen to Carrie shit.
Okay. That also doesn't work.
Do you know Rent?
I don't like Red. I know it, but I don't like
Are
it.
you even gay?
I like the Take Me or Leave Me one, but I don't like any of the others. I think they're shit. No offense.
You disrespect the legacy of Jonathan Larson like this.
Sorry, the songs are shit. The Light My Candle one, I'm like, oh my god, stop repeating yourselves.
I love one song, Glory. Do you know Burlesque?
Do I know Burlesque? Yes, I do. Don't know all the titles, but I know the songs. Most of them. I like the one, you know when Kristen Bell.
Christina.
No, you know Kristen Bell, like, turns all the music off.
I need a
That one.
tough lover. Don't put that one up.
You've not seen my living room since I've
Yes.
sorted it out, have you?
Yes, I have.
What, with the new carpet?
Oh no, not with the new car.
No, you fucking haven't. There's carpet on it now.
She's just hooting and hollering.
I want to see if I can do that.
Oh fuck, now there we go. Go fuck yourself.
I need a tough lover. Yeah, yeah. I need a tough lover. Ooh, I need a tough lover. Yeah, yeah. A tough lover. Oh, yeah, yeah. When he kisses me, I get that thrill. When he gets a rhythm, I won't keep still. I want a tough lover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tough lover. Ooh, need a tough lover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tough lover. Well, the 7 sisters got nothing on him. I'm talking about a lover who's fast as the wind. Everyone will talk about how he got me fixed. It ain't voodoo, it's just that twist. Be the greatest lover that ever come to pass. Someone ain't got half the chance. He's a tough lover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tough lover. Ooh, he's a tough lover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tough lover. Hey, 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 yeah. Make me laugh. He'll make me cry. He'll be so tough. He'll make Venus come alive. He'll do anything that he wants to do. Step on Jazzy J's blue suede shoes. Tough lover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tough lover. Woo, tough lover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tough lover. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. The tough lover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tough lover.
Like,
Thank you. If that was aimed at me, I don't know, was it?
it was.
Thank you.
Of course it was.
Oh, I'm cramping so much. Sorry. It's constantly there.
I saved every letter you wrote me. From the moment I saw you, I knew you were mine. You said you were mine. I thought you were mine. Do you know what Angelica said when I told her what you'd done? She said, you've married an ignorant
erased from the narrative. That future historians wonder how Eliza reacted when you broke her heart. You've thrown it all away, stand back, watch it burn.
Shit, where's that?
I don't know.
Well, there's not.
Oh, it's coming that way.
There's nothing of a car spot
From the
that I
right.
cannot fucking see. Maybe shit myself then.
Every single day I walk down the street, I hear people say, baby, so sweet. Ever since puberty, everybody stares at me. Boys, girls, I can't help it, baby. So be kind and don't lose your mind. Just remember that I'm your baby. Take me for what I am, who I was meant to be.
Going. Voice is fucked.
And if you give a damn, take me, baby, or leave me. Take me, baby, or leave me. A tiger in a cage can never see the sun. This diva needs her stage. Baby, let's have fun. You are the one I choose. Folks would kill to fill your shoes. So be mine.
I'm tired.
And don't
Hey, guys.
waste my
I can't.
time screaming, oh honey bear, are you still my baby?
I can't do it.
Take me for what I am. No way can I be what I'm not. But hey, don't you want your girl hot?
I'll let you hit this note.
How's every night? Who's in your bed?
Who?
Ooh.
Sorry, just having slight PTSD now.
Kiss Pookie, it won't work. I love before I leave. I love margins and disciplines. I make a list in my sleep, baby. What's my sin? Never quit. I follow through. I hate mess, but I love you. What to do am I impromptu, baby? So be wise, cause this girl satisfies. You got a prize, don't compromise. Yo, you wanna get out the road? Fucking hell. Take me for what I am.
Control freak.
Who I was meant to be.
A snob yet over attentive.
And if you give a damn, take me, baby. That's it. The straw that breaks my back. I quit unless you take it back. Women, what is it about them? Can't live with them or without them. Take me for what I am.
Now I'm fucked about.
How I was meant to be. And if you give a damn, you better take me, baby. Take me, baby. Take me, take me, baby. Or leave me. Guess I'm leaving. I'm gone.
Pressed it. Beautiful. We never do this when we're well. People are going to think we can't actually sing. We're just faking illnesses. You can hear that we are unwell. Can't you?
Death rattle.
You just sounded like...
A fucking banshee.
No.
Let's do it again.
No. Do it again. You sound like the zombies from World War Z.
Joe.
You do.
I can also do a clicker.
I don't even watch that, and that freaks me out. Okay, fuck off. And that's where that ends.